Hey guys, Team Soldier right here. Just letting you know, I got myself a Dell Latitude E6430u. Yeah, ultrabook. Yeah. So right now I'm just gonna open it and see what's at. Yeah. See, so this is the wrap of it. My first time opening it up. Yeah, so as you see, I got the charger here, the big charger. Yeah, the actual Dell charger. So I'll just put it on one side. Yeah, you can use it with like the E70. I mean, majority of the Latitude models, yeah. So for example, the E724050, the E7440, 7450. This goes on and on, you know. Yeah, timeless charger. I know. Here's the moment of truth. Yeah. Well, this is it. This is the actual laptop. You see, there's some scratches here and there. You know, good laptop. Pay a good bargain for this. Yeah, you know, obviously, I think this is like the first laptop that came up with this style, you know. Yeah, the Ultra book, and then after that, the E7440 came, the E7450, and then this goes on and on. You know, from there, oh yeah, E54, 40, then yeah, I mean E50, and it goes on. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, so this is the laptop. Yeah, the actual laptop. You can see. Find out what it is. Zoom in a bit. See? See the key? Yeah, a bit of wear into here. That's okay, because still can go. Yeah. You know, not much difference. No? Got autofocus. You know? It's a good laptop. You know? It's very good. So, what I do is I'm just see how it goes. And you know. And I'll be back. Yeah, peace. Okay guys, I managed to went through the steps. Yeah, on Windows 10. Yeah, so at the moment it's just loading up, configuring the desktop. Yeah, you know, it's a good look. Yeah, it's getting everything ready for me. Yeah. Yeah, so when I was just on the desktop page, yeah. You see? So it's a good device, you know? Very good. Cheaper than a MacBook Pro. And faster than a MacBook Pro. Yeah, so 1 hour 49 minutes. As you can see. Look at it. Just try again. Let me try autofocus it. Yeah, it's just 99 saying 1, 2, 3 minutes. Hmm? Okay. Another way. So actually, let me just click on here. Yeah, it's much better now, don't it? Yeah. So it's 1 hour 23 minutes. What I'm just gonna try burn down the brightness. Increase it longer. Yeah, that. No, 25%. Yeah. So yeah, that's longer than my MacBook Pro. My MacBook Pro used to last 10 hours, up to 10 hours. Now it just doesn't last for a while. Yeah, on it. Yeah, now it's going on to 1 hour, 1 minute. Yeah, so honestly, these laptops are. I mean, this laptop's good to get, and I'm not sure how old this battery is, but I'll find out how old it is, and then hopefully obviously I'll get a new battery for it and just take it from there until it goes in the future. Alright guys, I'm just ending the video and just I'll see you soon. Yeah, go. I'll catch you later. Bless love. Peace.